Hey car enthusiasts, today let's talk about something heavy, both literally and figuratively. On June 3rd, Nicole Luthane and her 6-year-old daughter Katerina were waiting at a red light in Grand Forks, North Dakota. Out of nowhere, they were struck from behind by a Ram 3500, a massive heavy-duty pickup driven by Travis Bell. Here's the heart-wrenching part. Nicole was in a Ford Focus, a compact car weighing around 3,000 pounds. The Ram 3500? A whopping 7,000 pounds. The crash was devastating. Nicole suffered serious injuries, and despite all efforts, young Katerina passed away 2 days later. Mr. Bell, who was later found to have been drinking, walked away unharmed. Sadly, this isn't an isolated incident. Around 10,000 rear-end collisions happen daily in America. But when you have such a mismatch in vehicle weights, the consequences can be deadly. And this isn't just about one tragic story, it's about a troubling trend on our roads. Let's dive into the data. 30 years ago, if a passenger car crashed with a pickup or SUV, the car's driver was 4 times more likely to die. Today, that risk is 3 times as much. Critics argue that this is too high a price to pay for roomier interiors and powerful engines. Car makers, on the other hand, say they're simply meeting consumer demands. Now, let's look at some eye-opening numbers from The Economist. They analyzed millions of crashes and found that heavier vehicles are far more dangerous to other drivers. The heaviest 1% of vehicles caused 37 deaths per 10,000 crashes, compared to just 2.6 for the lightest cars. That's a staggering difference. So how big is too big? Vehicles weighing over 5,000 pounds cause a disproportionate number of fatalities. Downsizing these behemoths could reduce road fatalities by 12%, saving around 2,300 lives annually. Yet car makers are moving in the opposite direction. The average new car in America now weighs over 4,400 pounds. Why? It's an arms race on the roads. As vehicles get heavier, drivers feel they need bigger cars to stay safe. But this comes at a societal cost. Despite this, car manufacturers focus on crash avoidance technologies rather than addressing the risks posed by vehicle weight. The NHTSA's 5-star rating system only considers the safety of the occupants of the vehicle in question, not other road users. This needs to change. Researchers and policymakers are starting to take notice, but progress is slow. So what's the takeaway? While we all want to feel safe on the road, it's crucial to consider the broader impact of driving heavier vehicles. Let's push for smarter regulations and safer roads for everyone. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into important issues. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.